Hey all, it's Lucas here. Today I'll be showing you a few of my latest creations. I guess we'll start off with this guy. This is my Freightliner M2 class top mount enclosed pumper. So yeah, let's start off with the front. Just a normal nosed truck. I think you got lights in the grill. Yeah, you do. You got your light bar, your air filters. On the side, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 side protection lighting. It's a tandem axle, which means two rear axles. The front end, or at least the front wheels, I'll show you. See if I can get one of these off. There you go. Uh-oh. Nothing fell out. Nothing fell out. The wheels are done like this. You got a little peg in a small room with a very thin rubber with a motorbike tire, and I have ×2 of these wheels. Of course, ×2. Let's just put this back on the truck here. Take the ladder out for a sec. Let's just put you back on there so you can do that. You got the roof comes off pretty easily. Just held on by those 4 studs. The first section of the TME top mount enclosed comes off pretty easily to get your fingers in there and reposition anything. You got blue seats for the interior. You can see it, but there's some computer stuff on the left side of the truck in the cab, and then, whoa, don't break it, on the right side I got levers to control the pump. You got 1 ready to go hose, 2 inlet/outlet areas for the hoses from the tanker, which I'll show you next here. I'll show you next in a sec. You got your back guide lights for reversing the truck. You got 6 compartments, 6, 7. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. You got 4 compartments on each side of the truck. I'll just open these up so you can see through. Nothing in there right now. Nothing in this guy. And switching it around. Don't fall, thank you. Nothing in that guy. You got space for hoses. Not my best job on that. Yeah. Oh, and you got a ladder. You got 3 segments of ladder that goes on the top here, storage compartment area. You got red, orange rear lighting. And you got, so the segment goes orange, red, and then red, orange. So those will just flash like that kind of thing. These will rotate. LED rotate, by the way. You got reverse, blinkers, tail brake. You got your reflective chevrons. And yeah, again, this is my Freightliner M2 class 10 Maxwell TME dump mount enclosed pumper. Next, we'll just switch over to the tank or whatnot. This is also a Freightliner M2 class tanker, dry side. Got 2 compartments, nothing in either of them. LEDs everywhere, of course. You got white in the middle here. You got one sad protection light on the bottom there. It's kind of hard to see because my shadow. It's unit number 12 or tanker 1-2. You got cool styling tail brake and reverse lights. But tail brake and blinker lights, as well as reverse, stupid me. And you got your orange-red LED rotators. I believe this has blue seating. Roof comes off easily, of course. Yep, blue seats. Sun visor, of course. This truck, my TME top mount enclosed have sun visors. Next rig to show you is my latest one I just built yesterday. Is my wrong side. I'll discuss what's going on that side in a sec. This is my 2018 Spartan Gladiator rescue truck. Sorry, walk around rescue. I'll show you why I say it's Spartan, because Spartan in my area does headlights, emergency lighting, and then blinkers, in that order. The part of the roof comes off pretty easily. Very easily, I should say. Like very easily. Yellow interior, yellow exterior, with red reflective striping. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 side protection plus 1 only scene lighting on each side. You got 2 see-through compartments. Let's see here. Yeah, 2 see-through compartments. On the back here, you got your steps leading up to the top, which I forgot to make this part here just a little bit lower, but not a big deal. You got a trailer hitch for hooking up winches, or trailers, of course. You got your marker light on the step there. Again, it's red, orange, red. Emergency rear lighting. And you got two half compartments, which are hiding the rear steps construction. The reason why this one is white is because I could not find one more yellow door, which is sad. But I could technically use this as a medical compartment for whatever use. Yellow rims, light gray base plate, and yeah, that's my rescue truck. I'm gonna put you back over here. Now, time for that's one of my favorite ladder trucks I've ever built. My skylift. Now, my city doesn't have one of these, although the city south of me, Calgary, has a few E1, I believe. They're E1 Bronto skylifts, and apparently they have problems with them. As you can see, the wheels are way off the ground here. I'll show you by using the roof piece. Slides right under. Right under. Same for the back here. Let's see how good it under. There we go. Right under, right under. I'm not gonna raise this all the way up, I'll just raise it up this much. And then I will, maybe higher. So as you can see, it would work like that. This would plop all the way up. This would extend by 4 segments plus 5 if you include the white part. So it goes pretty high. You got back in there. There you go. See if I can show you this. You got red LEDs on the grill here. 2 LED rotators. Your stay back stickers. What do you want to call those? Chevrons. It is a day cab, so you got driver and firefighter or captain or whoever you want to sit in the driver's seat, passenger seat. You got 4 compartments, 2 on each side. They're both empty. On the back side here, so put it how high I can. You got your 2 rotators, orange and red, and then 2 LED flashers, as well as tail brake and blinker lights. Of course, you got 1 and 2 side protection lights. 3 if you include this. 4, sorry, if you include this rotator and that rotator at the back there. Red interior, white exterior, of course. Next vehicle I'll show you is my ambulance. This is one of my weirdest ambulances I've ever built. This is a... I don't even know. Maybe an old E350 ambulance, I think. I'm gonna say E350, I don't know. Maybe old F350, I don't know. Still looks pretty big. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 side protection lights. Roof comes off easily, of course. Chevron with the plate with red and white LEDs in the front. A light bar, of course. Orange warning lights, because I like to do the red-orange configuration on my trucks. Again, Chevron with plate. This lifts up this high. You got nothing in there yet, just a lonely doctor seat. Yeah, and one more truck, which is my favorite truck, which I've kept built for like April, May, June, July, August, September, October, no, almost 9 months now. No. April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. Wow, 8 months already I've kept this built. This is my favorite pickup truck I've ever built so far. I'm not destroying it anytime soon. This is my 2017 to present Ford F450 pickup truck. Dually, of course. Dualies because I have the singles and then the doubles in the back. Yeah, that's the rear. You got TA truck advisor in the back here because I'm using it as a POV fire response truck at the moment. This has been a Civi truck, POV fire response truck, unmarked PD truck, Fire Rescue truck many times. White interior, blue, white exterior, blue interior. You got red LEDs on the front. You got, if you include the one on the bumper here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, one only guy at the back there, 6 side protection lights. That's the front end. Pretty simple. Just like a Ford. Acts like a Ford. And, yeah, those are my new trucks. So, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you want me to build anything that's vehicle related. such as fire trucks, as you see here. That guy, pardon me, heavy rescue. When I mean heavy rescue, I mean heavy wreckers. Buses I can kind of do, depending on how many windows I use. Campers, trucks. Yeah, anything like that, let me know. So, let's see if I can do this. So, thank you for watching, and until next time, I'll see you later.